Imagine beginning the day with a skin brightening, freshening routine that makes you look terrific. Isn't that an excellent way to start the day? SB Natural Beauty features educational makeup tutorials, makeup recommendations, beauty hacks, health, fitness, and lifestyle skincare advice. Get ready videos with me, and just all kinds of fun things. Our goal is to inspire you and make you feel more confident, empowered, and able to help people see how beautiful they truly are. If you have a 3-step or 9-step skincare regimen, there is one thing anyone should do to better their skin. Add ingredients in the correct order. Regardless of your skin issues, begin with a smooth, toned foundation, add combined active ingredients, lock in moisture, and of course apply SPF during the day. Great skin isn't just a product of your genes. Your everyday behavior significantly affects what you see in the mirror. However, there are a dizzying array of opinions, but skincare is a matter of personal preference. Here are a few things to keep in mind so you can make sense of it all. Number 1. Start with a cleansing oil. First and foremost, remove all product buildup or debris that has accumulated overnight, using a cleansing oil to remove makeup and extra oil from your face while still softening your skin. Bare Minerals Oil Obsessed Total Cleansing Oil is a good option. It's thin and suitable for all skin types. Rub a few blobs of the cleanser between your hands to warm them up. Apply it to the face and rub it all over in a circular motion. Finally, give it a good rinse with warm water. Number 2. Follow up with a water-based cleanser. After that, use a non-oily cleanser to thoroughly clean the face and remove any residual residue and dirt. Choose a gentle cleanser with a low pH that won't irritate your skin. A decent one is Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Wash it off with lukewarm water by softly massaging it on your face in circular movements. Pat your face dry using a towel. Number 3. Use a toner. It is essential to tone your skin. A decent toner aids in removing any residual oil or dirt that a cleanser might have left behind. It tightens pores and brings the skin pH level back into equilibrium. Toners help to save the skin from collecting so much oil. Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Toning Lotion by Estee Lauder is a great option. Take a small amount of toner and evenly apply it to your face, allowing it to soak into your skin. Number 4. Don't forget the serum. Serums are concentrated treatments that are used to target and treat various skin issues. Choose a serum based on your problem and it will produce results. Truth Serum Collagen Booster by Ole Henriksen is beneficial to your skin's health. Heat a few blobs of serum between your hands by rubbing them together. Start at the nose and work your way outwards while applying the serum to your skin. Allow it to soak into the skin for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Number 5. Moisturize well. To nourish and seal in moisture, use either a smooth, moisturizing lotion or water-based gel, depending on the skin condition. Throughout the day, the moisturizer will save the skin from drying out. A successful option is Aveeno Positively Radiant Regular Facial Moisturizer. Apply a few blobs of moisturizer to your face and neck and smooth them over. Massage the moisturizer into your skin until it is fully absorbed. Number 6. Apply a sunscreen. To shield your skin from the sun's damaging UV rays, you'll need a sunscreen lotion of at least sun protection factor or SPF 30. Sunscreen prevents the skin from sun exposure, which can lead to wrinkles, fine lines, and spots if not taken care of. Mad Hippie 30+ Zinc Oxide Facial SPF protects the skin without using any chemicals. Apply sunscreen uniformly to the skin and rub it in. Number 7. Protect with an eye cream. The skin beneath your eyes is the thinnest and most delicate on your entire face. As a result, you must use products specifically designed for this purpose. Dryness, lines, and puffiness under the eyes will all be addressed with skin creams. Fresh black tea age delay eye concentrate moisturizes prevent these symptoms of aging in the eye region. Number 8. Prime it up. Primer adds in the use and longevity of base and lipstick. Primer is a medication that helps the BB creams and foundations last longer. Smooth the product onto your skin with your fingertips. Tarte Clean Slate Poreless 12-Hour Perfecting Primer is an excellent option because it hides pores and blemishes. These measures will help you start your day off right, and your skin will benefit from it as well. You will find a noticeable change in your skin health if you take the measures daily. As a result, make it a point to do your morning skincare routine every day. More importantly, please share your story with us by leaving a message in the comments below. Beauty is in how you take care of yourself, and we hope you always treat yourself the way you deserve. Till the following video, beauties!